On your screen, you'll see an image of the Korean friendship bell that was donated from South Korea to the United States in 1976, and it's a representation of peace between the two countries. It is a massive bronze bell, housed or surrounded by a Asian style artwork and design. And I had the opportunity to visit the monument last summer and see the artwork and see up close the intricate patterns and ornate details that house this massive bronze bell. In this next project, the Mexican Sun Art Project, you're going to use pattern, which is an element of art, to create your own custom design. And we see pattern in several different cultures, whether it be Mexican, Asian, all different styles or cultures of art. And so here we can see there is repeated color, repeated lines and symbols to create a very detailed design. So for your next project, I'd like you to try a few patterns in your sketchbook of repeating lines and shapes and symbols to add to your sun artwork.